welcome back to the channel. Today's video kinda different because my week was kinda focused on getting things done before I leave the island. So, you know, I went to the doctor's office.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oops, I made a mess, you fought by the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. My man is stretched from south to the west. Always the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Kept me knocked down, left the nut on the leg. Running catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide. Jump on the stick on the side of the switch. Call up and pretty vibe. Pull up and let him massage the bitch. All that you knew ride. We whipping and swerving all kind of shit. Whipping and running. My little niggas pulling up gun and they hit when they trying to hit. I started running. We shoot them right spot in their stomachs and leave them inside. Ain't nothing funny when you got a bread on the onion. Look like you frying the fry.
Then I went back to the field and I did some training.
On Sunday, she still wanna ask me for money. She gon' end up dying. Got me some hundreds and say gotta keep it 100 cause these niggas counterfeit. We had a long sex. Good pussy bitch off a bowl of cracks. It's off the road. Just like a real nigga bouncing it back. Make sure your nose ain't wet. He fell a bit, them addicted to crack. Come on my bitch, bitch, check out my neck. All of my business, little bitches relax. She done got way too attached. Notice they might cause they waist is a snack. Heard your little homie got wet. We take a life, you ain't taking one back. You going under attack. Let the whole world know the babies is back.
Yeah, that was my fitness test. I really just did those stuff because my coach sent over the list of fitness stuff that I need to get done. So I knocked those out, and yeah, it's basically the end of the week right now when I'm making this video. I'm headed to do some last minute shopping before I leave. I leave in 2-3 days. So you know, just here with mom, finishing up, getting the shopping done, and yeah.
In your west hitting the dash, crippin' that back out 100 your dash. Oops, I made a mess, you fought by the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed.
Yo, driving in a fishbowl in Jamaica is top 10 worst things ever, bro. I swear, bro. Like, bro, there's just no peace, brother. I'm not lying, bro. Tints are so crucial. I don't even think you understand. If you know, you know. If you're not from Jamaica, if you buy a car, just make sure your car tint up, bro. Dead ass. I don't even know what I go. Mother says she have a drop off her phone. I'm not lying, I've been outside, stand up here, good while now. I'm kind of just, you see me? So. Yeah guys, stand up at the ice cream shop so long, I up just buy ice cream cake. But my mother buy a milkshake star. I'm not lying. Could I do a switch down? But creamy. Guys, creamy, I'm not say never know, but creamy. I don't know how to do down there. I'm not gonna lie. Big up on the show.
I'm in the stretch, from south to the west. Always the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Kept me knocked down, left the nut on the leg. Running catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yo, I'm not lie, bro. Why Jamaica so hot, bro? Like, hold on, like, bro, I've been walking with my mother. And the heat, dog, Jano style. How you feel about the sun, mother? Everywhere, about 5 times we stop for the day, like everybody in the world, you know. Like at a point where you could have like open the thing them before you buy it and drink it.
Let's go.
No, serious thing, like one other time.
Let's go. Ah, bye, sorry.
You live, you learn something every day still. What if me did for stay away and just push this side back and take a new one?
Pour something, no, you can't do that.
Yeah, change the basket because you can't lift it up no more. know, guys, mom said she was tired. So now to get some food and go home, I decided that it's probably best to just... We had laugh. What's so funny? I decided that it's best to just go home and watch the Georges match tomorrow. Because I'm going to play a second header tomorrow. I'm kind of tired. Plus, I have to go do the running. So, you know, but me I drive now. So I have to come off my phone because mom's there in the car. So, yeah. Well. As me I say, never makes sense to go to the match because I reach home on about 5 o'clock now. So, as me go the one tomorrow, but I'm not going to see that night video because this is the end of the video, guys. So, you know, as I'm saying, after this, the next video coming out is probably going to be the travel vlog because I'm going back to school in a couple of days. So, you know, my time in Jamaica is over. It was nice. It had its ups and downs, I guess, but yeah, time to lock in. Pre-season coming the following weekend, season starting the week after that. So, you know, the content is no longer like lifestyle like this. It's gonna be more football based for the people that want to see that. And yeah, this is the last off-season vlog. Until next time, on to pre-season, in-season, and as I said to you guys earlier, I have a lot of things coming for you guys this upcoming fall. So stay tuned. Jackoobts on the rising. Thank you for watching. Peace.